Okay, hi kids. In class yesterday, I did not get to the entire lesson that I wanted to. Therefore, for homework, I said just do like problems 11 through 14 on page 5. But I want you to do the rest of page 5, and you'll be able to do it after watching this instructional video. So here we go. And share screen, and we got it. All right, so 11 through 14. I will show you all the answers, how to do this on the second video. I'm posting 2 videos. The second one will show you how I got the solutions to 11 through 14. Also, the second video will give you another homework sheet for more practice, and that's all explained in the video. But problems like 15 through 18, I haven't shown you how to do. And let me do exactly that. So here we go. All right, so we have done problems like this. That's called a monomial times a monomial. And you multiply the coefficients. 3 times 2 is 6. And you multiply the radicals. 5 times 3, root 15. And then you can start draw 15, but it doesn't break down. So that's your answer. So we've done that. You're good at that. Then page 5, problems 11 through 14 were problems like this. This is a monomial out front times a binomial inside. And remember, our steps were distribute, sort drawer, and then collect like terms. So here we go. We distribute. We're going to multiply this times this. So it's just like doing what's up here. 2 times 6 is 12. Square root of 3, square root of 2, square root of 6. Then we do this times this. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. Square root of 3, there's no square root there. So just put in square root of 3. That's distribute. Sort drawer, those don't break down. So you are done. That is your answer. Can we collect like terms? Nope. Root 6, root 3 are not the same. All right, so was like problems 11 through 14. But then we have problems like these. This is a binomial times a binomial. 1 term, 2 terms, 1 term, 2 terms. How do we do a binomial times a binomial? Whoops. Well, the technique is called double distributive. It's also sometimes called FOIL. Let me explain. The double distributive means this, that you're going to multiply this term times each of these. Then you're going to multiply this term times each of these. So there's a total of 4 multiplications to be done. 2 root 3 times each term in the second parentheses, negative 5 times each term in the second parentheses. Not difficult. So let's do that. So 2 root 3 times 4 root 2, 2 times 4, 8. Root 3 times root 2 is root 6. And 2 root 3 times the 7, well, 2 times 7 is 14. We just tack on the root 3. All right, now let's do the yellow ones. Negative 5 times 4 root 2 is negative 20. Tack on the root 2. Negative 5 times 7, negative 35. Then are there any sock drawers to break down? Well, root 6 does not break down. Root 3, root 2, none of them have big enough sock drawers to break down. Then collect any like terms. Can we add any like terms? Root 6 is different from root 3, is different from root 2. Nope. So this is your final answer here. Okay, let's do another one. All right, let's do double distributive, and now I'll show you why it's also called FOIL. Because when I do this, and then I do this with the double distributive with the 4 multiplications, It's also called FOIL. FOIL stands for first, O is outer, I is inner, and L is last. What does that mean? You start by multiplying the first term in each parentheses. The first term in each parentheses is this times this. So 3 root 2 times 2 root 3, 3 times 2 is 6, root 8, root 3, root 24. Then the O is outer. You do the 2 to the outside. Which one's on the outside? 3 root 8 times 1, which is just 3 root 8. Then I do the inner, the ones on the inside. Well, the inside is this times this, the yellow ones. This here. So negative 4 times 2 root 3 is negative 8 root 3. And L for last, you do the last term in each parentheses. This one, this one. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. All right, let me rewrite that in. I can't get at my other ink here. There's stuff in the way. And I don't want to mess with it. So anyway, let's change back to purple. Okay. So you do the double distributives, then we do any necessary sock drawer. My phone dinged, I gotta check that. Okay. Well, root 24 does break down. Right, 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So we can pull out a 2. And we have 3 times 2 root 6 inside. We also had this 6. Right, sock drawer, pull out a 2. 3 times 2, 6 inside. Then this 6. So that's 12 root 6. 8 breaks down. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So that's going to be a 2 root 2 with a 3 out front. I should do it here. So that becomes what? 6 root 2. Root 3 does not break down, and neither does negative 4. So this is your final answer. Okay? Then you're going to see one like this. It's a binomial being squared. And the way you do this is you have to write it out twice, like this. And then do your double distributive or your FOIL. There's no shortcut. You can't just square this and square this. Doesn't work. Write it out twice. So your steps are double distributive or FOIL, if you want to call it, then sock drawer, and then maybe collect like terms. All right, so let's go back to the worksheet. And now I want you to do 15 through 18. So 15, your double distributive or your FOIL. Same thing in number 16, 17, and number 18. That's the one you have to write it out twice. Okay, so watch this video. Well, I don't have to say that. You already watched this video. And now for your homework, do 15 through 18. In the next video, it'll give you some more practice to do. Okay, kids, good work. Thanks very much. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.